What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be, got my hand shaking. Today we're going to be doing, it's kind of like a prep for like the new season of cars, like car season. Obviously now it's just turned 2018. We're still in January, so this is a very good time for anybody to start prepping their car and getting it ready for the next season. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I bought my car. This guy's just finished his car, his A3, and then Jake here has got his A-Class, but so as you guys know as well, the winter was pretty harsh on lots of cars, so it's got like this. You guys can see this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah, it's got a lot of iron kind of all over here and all around here and all over the rest of the car. I'm not too sure how mine kind of fared because I did treat mine before, but just feeling the paint, you can kind of feel a little bit. It's not too bad, it's not as bad as Jake. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of run you guys through like just simple things you can do, just kind of get your car ready, get just like a prep, if that makes sense. So look at what is that? It's disgusting.
Everything is flying. I have dust in my eyes and the air in my head. It's my way so far, and I can remember. Oh, this smells so familiar around. Lit my way too far. In this way, you know, I'm losing my head and my mind, and now to see that I
So literally just washed all the dirt off, so there's not as much kind of sitting on the surface, so when we actually do wash it, it's not going to scratch the car or anything like that, because obviously bad news, it's mad how like shiny a car looks when it's wet. If only it could stay like this all the time, but because of the English weather it can't. I think I'm going to do the wheels next. I'm going to put the iron out stuff on the wheels, agitate it possibly if I've got something to do that with, or I'll just spray it on, leave it for a while and then wash it all off. Yeah. So basically, boys, now we are literally just cleaning the car. I'm just using like one bucket method. Show them the bucket, bro. One bucket method. People will have like an aneurysm over that because normally it's only the 2 bucket method, but that doesn't matter. We're doing it quick. So literally we're just going to wash the car, get all the dirt off it and stuff, and then I'll rinse it down, I'll dry it, and then we'll dry it, we'll take it inside, and that's when the real magic happens. And I'm going to show you guys, especially top of wax. It's more of a sealant than wax, but when it first came out, no one kind of used it, whereas now it's like used massively. And Jake behind the camera, say hello. He's just shaking his head. But Jake behind the camera is going to use it as well. And it's funny to see people's reactions because they don't really expect it. And as well, I'm going to let him use that carbon collector stuff that I've got as well. I'm going to carry on washing the car. Jake's probably going to mess around with the camera. So if there's any funny videos or any random stuff he does, I'll put it in now. But enjoy. Just a quick update. So at this point now, I have sprayed down the car, got all the loose dirt off it. I've washed the car, obviously, with these. Obviously I did the wheels, which you saw. Also, then once I did that, I literally just washed off the car and I dried it. Drying towel is somewhere over there. But yeah, next thing we're going to do is get the car inside, and then we're going to start the real things. So as well, if you guys did want to purchase anything that we are going to be using in this video, all the links, I'll put them in the description if I remember. I'm sorry if I don't, just drop me a comment and say, Josh, what are you playing at? There's nothing in the description. We're gonna get the car inside and then I think we're gonna go for a Mackey's, boy. Yo, can you fit?
Look at a race car, mate.
Oh my god, look how close he has the seat, man.
Yeah, so.
Yo, you got midget legs, bro.
Yeah, alright.
Does it fit alright?
What? Seat?
Yeah.
Is
it comfortable?
I don't know, you feel like you're all squeezed in.
Yeah, that's what a race car's meant to feel like, bro.
Race car.
Right, oh yeah, all you need to do is just literally just turn that. I'll put the windows down. So if you're gonna crash, I can shout at you. Give it a bit of rope for the boys. Woo! Come on, a little bit more than that, man. That verbal. Best thing though, bro. Them LED. Oh, okay.
If you haven't seen that video yet, click here. Go watch that video because it's a pretty good video. But yeah, it's just a simple mod that anybody could do.
That movement.
Fast as Can you swear on your channel? Because I've just done it.
I'll probably bleep it out.
That's right.
As you remember before, I don't know if you guys saw it, but this was like covered in like iron filings, but now it's as smooth as a baby's bottom. But if you come over to my car, which I've not done yet, but this bit in particular, just you guys hear that? That is this. It's not meant to sound like that at all. It's meant to sound like this, where you can't hear anything at all. So I'm going to clay bar this, see if it fixes it. I'm not too sure whether it's... Do you think it would be iron filings?
I don't know, depends if it's been painted.
No, it's been painted, but it's not going to be like... Oh, I don't know. I'm going to clay bar this anyway, see what happens.
Oh my god, what the? That is literally just from here.
That is crazy.
Can you see that, boys?
So, boys, listen. Nothing. Completely quiet. Amazing. I'm actually really... that is mad. Like, I can't believe how much of a difference that's made. But, I mean, I folded it 3 times and look at it. It's absolutely gross, and that's just from there. I'm just going to go do the main areas like Jake's done. He's kind of done behind the wheels. He's done here. You did the back, didn't you, as well? Yeah, he did the back, so I'm going to do the back, and then obviously the other side. I might do the front, I'm not quite sure. Jake's going absolutely mental and doing the whole car now, it seems like. You having fun, Jake?
Love it.
This is Jake. This is Jake trying to join in. Look at him.
Can't open it.
What is this guy doing, man? Open it.
It's never been opened.
It's obviously been opened before. Look at him.
Not by me.
What the f***?
Undo it.
Why do I have to do it?
What's that, mate?
Yo, look at that nice turbo, dude, down there. That's a nice turbo.
Nice.
You be careful, you don't know what you're doing. Oh!
Look at that air filter, mate.
Oh my god. No, the air filter's in there.
What's that then?
I don't know.
So boys, a bit of an update. From that point, we've literally just been to McDonald's because we were hungry. Shout out McDonald's, bro. But yeah, now we're going to start like waxing and stuff like that the car. So one of the first things that you could do is
You could use this polish here. The Super Resin Auto Glim Super Resin polish. I'm going to be using on my car because I've never used a polish before. Always kind of went with wax, but there's no real point in Jake polishing this car because it's a solid colour. It will literally make no difference, will it?
No. So I'll let them use this stuff here. What do you think it smells like? It's like a
Petrol on paint.
Yeah, petrol like paint. But this is actually called Fuso wax. I'm pretty sure it's from like China or Japan. From Japan. But yeah, this stuff is absolutely crazy and it makes the car like, I'll show you later. So boys, I've now finished. I've done. My arm is killing me and I still need to do a layer of wax. So that is going to suck. This obviously I've never used it before, but for some reason as well I'm absolutely covered. Like it's all over me. Great. It's all finished, but yeah, I'm going to leave this to dry and then I'm going to go and put this on the Fuso wax. Joel, shout out Fuso wax. Yeah. In about, what would say, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
About 20 minutes. So, I just started here, but look at the shine. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my God. Like, just changes the way that the paint looks. It looks so deep now. But the next stage is going to be actually sealing kind of this paint, this look into the paint. So I'm going to be using the wax that Jake has just used. I'm going to be using that wax just to basically seal it in. Make sure that if any more mud does come on the car, I'm able to just to basically take it to the wash bay and then just wash it off. It'll be so much easier. You know, obviously when it rains, water kind of sticks to the car, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's a nightmare, right? So just simulate it.
To be fair.
Yeah. Yeah, so it literally, it like doesn't even touch it. Like, do it again. Do it on the side, do it on the side. It just doesn't even touch the paint. But that's what it's like. So the reason why we're doing this as well is because the show season does start very soon. The first meet I'll be going to is the Burton meet. A lot of people do go to that meet. Some guy like doing like donuts in the entrance area, but hopefully, fingers crossed, that's going to happen again. I'm going to wax the car anyway because otherwise we'll be here forever. It's actually like 2:50 now, and I got here at 9 o'clock, and all I've done is wash and polish the car. It's a bit of a weird video, but it's something that I wanted to do. I wanted to kind of make, just kind of get a video out there as well because the season is starting soon. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super hyped for the season. It's gonna be so cool because it was awesome last time. I'm gonna go to more shows and more things, and as well, I've got a huge surprise coming up that I don't really want to say yet because it's not nearer the time. But once it gets nearer the time, you guys will know because I'll make a whole vlog about it. Literally just use that wax. I'm gonna get some girly things out, but yeah, all these are just like applicator pads. We're going to be using this. So this basically is literally just like a ceramic coating for your windows. So it's like Rain-X, but it lasts for like 2 years or something stupid. I'm going to show you like how to put it on because it says to use like 2 or 3 drops, but sometimes you have to use a little bit more. Obviously, applicator pad here, got the thing here. So there's probably about 4 or 5 drops on there. So I'm going to outline the window first. And obviously you've got to make sure your windows are clean when you do this, but then all you're going to do is kind of fill in that spot. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave the window, I'm going to do the rest of the windows, and then I'll come back to this one and then I'll basically take all the excess off, because if you leave it for too long it can actually stain your windows. But because it's not stupidly warm in here or there's no direct heat or sunlight on it, I don't really need to worry about it drying as much. So yeah, we're outside now. We thought we'd take a little bit of a break. After all, we have been cleaning like the cars all day. So Taylor actually does this as a hobby. Yo. So boys, after that little bit of antics, yeah, I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna get all the ceramic coating off the windows. There you go, you can kind of see it there. But yeah, I'm gonna get all that off, get all the wax off, and then we should be gold. Actually, I need to do the tyre shine. I don't know whether you guys agree with this, but I think tyre shine kind of finishes the car off. It's almost like a finishing touch, like the cherry on top type of thing. But yeah, that's definitely what I want to do. And then I think I'm gonna get some beauty shots of the beast, and then I think we should be done. So guys, as you can see, all the cars are done. They are finally finished. Yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I know it's a little bit different, but it's something that needed to be done. There's gonna be a lot of car shows coming up, so I just wanted to kind of get a little bit of a head start, and that's kind of what this video was all about. Let me just run through. So we did a rinse just to get rid of everything. We washed the car, rinsed all the loose dirt off again. Then we obviously dried it, took it inside, and then I used a polish as well. If you want any links to all of these, again, I said it like 3 times in this video, all the links will be in the description. Go and have a look, go and purchase yourself one, because I haven't used the polish before, but using the polish today was like unreal. It's something that I definitely need to do again. So we polished the car, and then we waxed the car with a Fuso wax. Again, links in the description. And then got all of that stuff off, treated the windows with the ceramic coating. But this car, to be honest, all of these cars look incredible. I actually said I don't want to kind of take this home, I just want to leave it here, just leave it in the workshop, never to be taken home, and then once I get a daily, just leave this there. But yeah, I'm super happy with how it came out. The cars look just like they've come out of the showroom. It's absolutely insane. And just look at it. You can see his car in there. See this car in the reflection. It's crazy. But yeah, it's nearly dark, 4 o'clock. I've been doing this car all day, but as you guys know, I love my car. It's a labour of love, which I'm pretty sure it is for you guys out there. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you subscribe. We've got so much coming up, so much content. We've got reviews, car shows. I mean, one coming up on the 27th, which I'm hoping to see some of you guys there. Just guys, stay tuned. I can't tell you how excited I am for this year. This year is going to be our year, and that's so corny to say, but I just don't care. Like, it's going to be our year. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh, and that was my POV. Peace out.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time.